Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Fitrian Wijayanto. I'm from the Geography Education. I will explain about the atmosphere. The atmosphere comes from the Greek atmos, which means water, vapor, or gas, and sphere, which means blanket. So, the atmosphere can be interpreted as a layer of gas that covers a planet, including Earth. The atmosphere is made up of nitrogen, oxygen, argon, carbon dioxide, and others. There are 5 layers of the atmosphere that surround the Earth, namely the troposphere, stratosphere, mesosphere, thermosphere, and exosphere. These 5 layers of the atmosphere have different characteristics and function as well as the distance from one another.
The troposphere is the lower layer of the atmosphere, and in this layer the symptom of rain clouds and wind occur. The stratosphere is at an altitude of 15 to 55 km. Air plant is this layer, and there is an ozone layer. The mesosphere layer is located at an altitude of 80 km. This layer functions to reflect radio waves, and meteors born in this layer. Our thermosphere layer is called the ionosphere. In this layer, ionization occurs, causing the accumulation of protons and electrons, and the aurora phenomenon occurs. The exosphere layer is the boundary between the Earth and outer space, and is the orbit of man-made satellites.
The atmosphere function to regulate the process of receiving heat from the sun. The atmosphere does this by absorbing and reflecting the heat emitted by the sun. About 34% of the sun heat is reflected back into space by the atmosphere clouds and also the Earth's surface. Then, about 90% is absorbed by the atmosphere and clouds. Then, the remaining 47% received the Earth's surface.